Warning: this video may not be suitable for people under the age of 13. Viewer discretion is advised. If you are easily scared, I would recommend clicking off and watching something else. This video contains valid EAS stones. Playing these on the air is a serious crime, and you can get arrested or fined if you do it. These stones can also frighten younger viewers. With that out of the way, enjoy the video.
That's delicious, thanks. Hey, that wasn't just a little, that was a whole bunch. Oh, then you can have a little bit of my...
The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia, has issued a tornado warning for, hey, you. Yes, you. Stop complaining about your stupid-ass kids' show being interrupted. Why are you even watching Hello Kitty anyways? It's meant for little girls. Not only are you acting like a man-child, you're being very girly. Grow the fuck up, and listen to what I need to say. As I was saying, Eastern Albemarle County in Central Virginia, Northern Buckingham County in Central Virginia, Fluvanna County in Central Virginia, and Southwest Louisa County in Central Virginia, until 6:30 p.m. Okay, listen up, pal. This is more important than your insignificant trash show. I am trying to save your fucking life. Does Hello Kitty alert you of severe weather? Of course not. So, therefore, Hello Kitty is not important in this situation. You are literally a 20-year-old man. Act like it, you fucking fat ass. Would you rather have your house get completely mauled by a tornado? I sure as hell would not. Anyways, back to what I need to say. At 5:42 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler Radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado. This dangerous storm was located near Palmyra, moving west at 40 miles per hour. In addition, rotating wall clouds were reported by storm spotters. You hear that? You could actually become a storm spotter as a change from you sitting on that couch all day watching a show meant for little girls. You're probably into little girls too, you pervert. This storm has a history of producing golf ball-sized hail as well. Locations in the path of this storm include Palmyra, Carysbrook, Cunningham, Taggart, and Cumberland. Okay, fuck this shit. I've had enough. No more Mr. Nice Guy. If you're not going to stop complaining about this fucking alert, I might as well say whatever the fuck I want. You suck. Screw you. You're the most brain-dead clown to ever exist on this fucking planet. Hello Kitty herself is probably embarrassed to have you as one of her fans. I hope the hail from the storm hits you in the crotch so hard that you lose your ability to have kids. You deserve to experience the pain of getting hit in the crotch. You are so stupid that you literally dropped out of daycare.
Tom, what the heck are you doing? There are literal kids watching. The emergency alert system isn't what you use to share your opinions to everyone. It's for actual emergencies only. You're embarrassing yourself in front of everyone. And plus, you're putting a bunch of innocent lives in danger, and some have probably already died.
Paul, it's not even my fault that some people want to be ignorant and yell at me over interrupting their garbage program. I'm trying to save their lives, while they just want to watch retarded-ass cartoons of humanoid cats that are minors. Pretty questionable for an adult to be watching that, if you ask me.
For crying out loud, Tom, just stop it. We're allowed to like whatever we want, even if we're adults and what we like is meant for kids. I'm positive that there's a lot of male adult Hello Kitty fans out there.
Well, screw them. I don't give a shit about opinions. Ever heard of something called invalid opinions? I wish I could go back to 1973 when Hello Kitty didn't exist. Times were much simpler then. Hello Kitty should only be liked by girls. If you're a boy and you like it, seek help. Sanrio also created Dear Daniel, just to get us boys to accept the franchise more. All Dear Daniel is a fucking Hello Kitty color. That's all. Don't forget about the other Hello Kitty color, me. All they did was change the bow from red to yellow, put it on the left ear, and call it a day. If I had to choose between getting rid of these three, definitely me. Not only is she useless, she's also a bitch. As seen in the 1989 anime, she gets scared by literally everything. Heck, she'd probably even get scared by the EAS stones. I'd probably play some clips of her being stupid, but the FCC would probably get sued by Sanrio for that. Anyways, long story short, Mimi sucks.
Okay, just stop. If you don't stop, you're being suspended until next week. Either way, this is coming out of your paycheck.
Fuck you, Paul. Imagine defending these idiots, and imagine taking money out of my paycheck just for saying what needs to be said. You're pathetic. And just for taking money out of my paycheck, fuck you times 1,000.
I'm sick of this. You're suspended until next week. Get out of here before I call the cops on you for trespassing. No pay for you.
Fine then, you pathetic bitch. I hated this stupid job anyways. I'm going to go home and play some Super Mario 64. And to those actually listening, I'm sorry for what I said. You know what to do. Peace out.
That's the last time we'll be hearing from him until next week. Anyways, time to finish this alert. The safest place to be during a tornado is in a basement. Get under a workbench or other piece of sturdy furniture. If no basement is available, seek shelter on the lowest floor of the building in an interior hallway or room such as a closet. Use blankets or pillows to cover your body, and always stay away from windows. If in mobile homes or vehicles, evacuate them and get inside a substantial shelter. If no shelter is available, lie flat in the nearest ditch or other low spot and cover your head with your hands. Stay safe, everyone, and don't be like Tom.
And now it's time for another Kitty's Caterpillar quiz. Hello there, everyone. Can you guess what's hiding behind these leaves?
We at the National Weather Service would like to apologize for the previously issued tornado warning. The script was illegally modified by one of our employees, and he is currently being questioned as to why he did it. We also ask you to continue remaining sheltered until the tornado dissipates. Remember to stay safe.